This is a great partnership, a new partnership, on video now, with Ken Powell and Julie Talks Money, KCAA Radio, and Cyndi, who is going to be our new partner here in Hemet. Stuff.
So excited.
Cyndi's a great realtor. Cyndi, tell us a little bit about yourself, your last name, and what you specialize with.
Well, my name is Cyndi Lemke, and I'm a local realtor here in the Hemet San Jacinto Valley. And I have been here for over 30 years, so I know where all the hidden gems are and where you can find the perfect house.
That is terrific. And I'm just going to come into the picture a little bit too, because we're going to be working closely together.
I'm so excited.
Me too. I think it's going to be great. And then there's another gentleman here too.
There
Right,
is.
Kevin, come on over here. Stuff, and I'll come on to this side of you.
Oh, hello.
Hi, this is Kevin Saunders,
That's
and
right.
he's going to be working with us too. Tell us a little bit about you, Kevin.
Kevin Saunders, local realtor here in the Hemet San Jacinto Valley. Love this valley. Sold plenty of homes. Love working with clients. Love for you guys to come and see me.
And how long have you been here, living here? in this
Probably
area?
about 13 years now.
So you really know the area.
I do.
And we're not talking just Hemet. You and Cyndi cover.
the entire Inland Empire, but this is our base.
Okay,
and so
describe
we
what
have it.
Inland Empire is.
Inland Empire is Riverside and San Bernardino counties together, and so that's the areas we cover. And here's our other expert here, Cyndi.
There you
Lemke
go.
again.
So I'm going to step out. So you guys cover what? Menifee, Hemet.
Harris.
So it's the Inland Empire is so huge. It's actually Riverside and San Bernardino together, I think, are the top two in the country, right?
Sure.
Like they're really big. So we go to the desert, we go to Riverside, we go just outside of Riverside. North County, San Diego is right at the bottom edge of the Inland Empire. So wherever our people are, that's where we want to be. But the really exciting thing is what I love about Kevin is we have a team, we build a team, so if we can't get there, we have plenty of people in our team
Circle.
partnership,
Yeah,
right,
sure.
partnership. So we make sure that no matter where you are, you get served.
That's great. So if people want to buy something in wine country, you can help them with that, right?
Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
If they want agricultural property, or if they want something in a new development.
Right. Yes. And we actually have brand new homes coming from D.R. Horton in San Jacinto in the next few months.
No kidding.
Yes.
That'd be
And
great.
then near Diamond Valley Lake, beautiful McSweeney Farms will also be adding some brand new homes, and that is a beautiful neighborhood
gorgeous.
with a pool and a gym that it's included in the HOA, and it's lovely, and 24-hour security. So it's really
That's
really
fantastic.
nice.
So it really is like an up and coming area. It's we've been talking about that. LA is moving east more and more,
Right.
and the people in LA are finding a much greater quality of life, I think, out here.
Yeah, well, we
A
have
lot.
a little bit better life balance.
Yeah.
The beautiful thing about the Hemet San Jacinto Valley is we're an hour away from the beach, the mountains, the desert, wherever you want to be, and even back to LA for a little bit.
That's it.
Sure, and into Vegas too. And
Right.
the main point is that it's very affordable out here still. So the opportunity to invest or to live in this area is kind of now before
Yeah,
that
it
changes.
is. You know what they always say? Now is always the best time to buy real estate.
Right.
Don't wait to buy real estate, right?
That's right.
What's the rest of it?
I don't know.
Buy real estate and wait.
That's right.
Then you get it. That's it. Oh, this is Julie Falen from Julie Talks Money with Kevin Saunders and Cyndi, I'm sorry,
Cyndi Lemke.
Lemke, I couldn't pronounce it. And hopefully you will join us when they're going to be on the radio show. But in the meantime, if you want to get a hold of them, you can contact me or you can contact them. Do you want to give your phone number real quick,
Sure.
Cyndi?
951-282-1617.
Say it again.
951-282-1617.
So you can get hold of Cyndi or Kevin
Yep.
with that and the real estate needs out in the Inland Empire, especially in Hemet. So it'll be fantastic.
Bye bye. Got to get his phone.